Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the job safe and fast. Disconnect the battery and tag every connector so reassembly is error-free. Next, check for obvious damage. Fluid leaks, broken mounts, and frayed wiring. These tell you where to focus. While you assess, prepare parts and tools: a torque wrench, multimeter, gasket kit, and sealant. Once done, clear a labeled workspace and lay parts in order so you can reverse the process without guessing. You now perform targeted diagnostics to find the root cause. Do compression and leak down tests so you know which cylinder is failing and by how much in PSI or percent. Then inspect timing components, cam, belt or chain, guides, and tensioner, because timing errors cause catastrophic damage. After that, test fuel and ignition systems. Check injectors, spark, and sensor voltages with the multimeter or OBD scanner. These steps determine. You now perform the repair. Install replacement pistons, bearings, or timing components as diagnosed, and use new gaskets and seals to prevent future leaks. Reassemble in reverse order and apply manufacturer torque specs. Refill fluids and properly bleed cooling and fuel systems so the engine runs cleanly. Once started, monitor vitals and run the same compression and sensor checks. If things go wrong, rerun tests, verify grounds and sensor voltages, and scan the ECU for faults. This catches the persistent or intermittent issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.